In this module, we'll focus on the burning question, does your undergrad GPA really matter in investment banking? The short answer is yes, it absolutely does. Let's dive into why and how you can leverage your academic performance to stand out. First, let's talk about why GPA is still important. Most banks, including top-tier firms, consider GPA heavily during recruitment. They often use it as an initial filter, typically favoring candidates with a 3.5 or higher. In recent years, GPA requirements have been getting higher and higher, showing how competitive the field is becoming. Now, let's look at current GPA expectations. Large banks often prefer a GPA around 3.7 for interviews. Top firms like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley might look for 3.8 or higher. On average, successful candidates have a GPA around 3.85. For internships, a 3.8 GPA is often expected. Keep in mind that these numbers can vary bank by bank and year by year, with 3.5 to 3.7 sometimes acceptable for students from target schools. It's important to understand how banks view GPA in context. A very high GPA, 3.9 plus, from a state school can actually outweigh a mediocre GPA from an Ivy. This demonstrates that exceptional academic performance is valued regardless of school prestige. Technical majors like engineering and math are often valued more than liberal arts degrees. If you're from a non-target school, you might need an even higher GPA, though exceptional experiences or connections can sometimes help. Your GPA matters even after you graduate. Keep it on your resume long term. It shows your abilities and work ethic, which are crucial in investment banking. A strong GPA can boost your career for years to come. However, success in investment banking requires more than just good grades. You need to combine a strong GPA with leadership experience, internships, and relevant skills. Banks value a well-rounded candidate who can demonstrate excellence in multiple areas. To create a strong application, show excellence on paper and in person. Present your credentials in a banker-friendly format. This means highlighting your GPA alongside your relevant experiences and skills in a clear, concise manner. If your GPA isn't as high, focus on exceptional internships, leadership roles, or unique experiences that set you apart. Remember, standing out is crucial in the competitive application process. With so many qualified candidates, you need to find ways to differentiate yourself. This could be done through unique internships, impressive leadership roles, or specialized skills relevant to investment banking. In conclusion, your GPA is a critical part of your application, but it's not the whole story. Aim for academic excellence, but also focus on gaining relevant experience and leadership skills. Next steps. If you're still in school, focus on maintaining or improving your GPA. If you've graduated, think about how to best present your GPA alongside your overall experience. Either way, consider how to stand out through internships, extracurriculars, or unique experiences that align with what investment banks are looking for.